Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about two countries that share history, culture, emotions, and also differences. We are going to explore the full story and comparison of India and Pakistan. But this is not just a comparison, this is also a journey to understand history, people, culture, and the future. And most importantly, this video will help you learn English in a very simple and natural way. So relax, listen carefully, and try to understand each sentence. Imagine a time before 1947. There was no India and Pakistan as separate countries. There was one large region under British rule. People lived together. They shared food, language, traditions, and culture. But then came a major turning point in history. The event known as the Partition of India changed everything. Millions of people moved from one place to another. Families were separated. New borders were created. And two new countries were born, India and Pakistan. This moment shaped the future of both nations. Now let's move to the present. Let's understand how these two countries are today. First, let's talk about size and geography. India is one of the largest countries in the world. Pakistan is smaller, but still very important geographically. Both countries have very beautiful and diverse landscapes. India has mountains, forests, deserts, and ocean. Pakistan also has amazing natural beauty, especially in the north. One of the most famous mountains is K2, the second highest peak in the world. Nature plays an important role in both countries. Now let's talk about population. India has more than 1.4 billion people. Pakistan has more than 240 million people. This means both countries have a huge number of young people. Young population can be a big advantage. It means more workers, more ideas, and more energy. But it also creates challenges. Governments must provide jobs, education, healthcare. If they fail, problems increase. Now let's talk about the economy. India has a much larger economy compared to Pakistan. It is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. India is strong in technology, services, startups. Cities like Bangalore are known for it, and software companies. Pakistan's economy is smaller, but it has its own strengths. Pakistan is strong in agriculture, textile industry, freelancing. Many Pakistanis work online and earn money from international clients. This is a growing trend. Both countries are trying to improve their economies. Now think about technology. Technology is shaping the future of the world. India is ahead in software, programming, and startups. It has global companies and strong at exports. India's space agency ISRO has also achieved great success. Pakistan is also improving in technology. Young people are learning skills like graphic design, programming, digital marketing. Freelancing platforms are helping many people earn from home. So even though India is ahead, Pakistan is also moving forward, step by step. Now let's talk about education. Education is the key to success for any country. India has some world-famous institutions like IT. Pakistan also has respected universities like LUMS. But both countries still face challenges. Not all children go to school. Quality of education is not always equal. Rural areas have fewer facilities. However, online learning is changing everything. Now students can learn from anywhere. Now let's talk about culture. This is where things get very interesting. India and Pakistan share a lot of cultural similarities. Food, language, clothing, many things are almost the same. Popular dishes like biryani and karahi are loved in both countries. Weddings are big, colorful, and full of traditions. Music, poetry, and storytelling are also important. India has a massive film industry called Bollywood. Pakistan is famous for its TV dramas, which are popular worldwide. Now let's talk about daily life. Life in big cities is fast and modern. People work in offices, use smartphones, and follow global trends. In smaller towns and villages, life is slower and simpler. Family is very important in both countries. People live with their parents and support each other. Respect for elders is a strong value. Now let's talk about sports. Cricket is more than just a game in India and Pakistan. It is an emotion. When these two teams play against each other, millions of people watch the match. It becomes a moment of excitement, pressure, and passion. Now let's talk about global influence. India has a stronger presence globally because of its economy and technology. Many Indians work in big international companies. Pakistan also has influence, especially in regional politics and international relations. Both countries are important in South Asia. Now let's talk about challenges. Both countries face similar problems: unemployment, inflation, population pressure, education gaps. These challenges slow down growth, but they can be solved with good planning and leadership. Now let's talk about the future. The future depends on today's decisions. India is expected to grow more in technology and economy. Pakistan has strong potential because of its young population. If both countries focus on education, innovation, stability, they can achieve great success. Now let's understand one important thing. This comparison is not about hate. It is not about competition in a negative way. It is about understanding. Both countries have strengths, both countries have weaknesses, and both countries can learn from each other. Let's do a final simple summary. India is larger and economically stronger. Pakistan is smaller but full of potential. India leads in technology. Pakistan is growing in freelancing and digital work. Both share culture, history, and traditions. Both have bright futures if they make the right choices. So what should we learn from this? We should focus on growth, education, and positivity. Instead of comparing negatively, we should think about improvement. Because in the end, progress matters more than competition. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope this video helped you improve your English. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which country do you think will grow faster in the future? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.